Are you looking for ways to change the app icon size on the iPad's home screen? Here's how to do. INJ. The setting will never affect other elements on your iPad screen, such as text and buttons. Find the video in the description for those changes. As you can see here, the app icons on my iPad are standard in size. Now, let's see the first way to change the app icon from the home screen and app library settings. Follow the steps to increase the app size on the iPad. Launch the Settings app on your iPad. Then, swipe up and tap on the home screen and app library section at the left sidebar. After that, turn on the toggle beside Use Large App Icons under the home screen section. Now, go to the iPad home screen, and you can notice the app icon is bigger than previously. To adjust the text size on the home screen app name, launch the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. Now, touch and hold on to the text size shortcut. If have not added, then add the shortcut to the Control Center. Steps are given in my display. And adjust the text size for the home screen only. You can make the app name text size small or big. On my screen, you can see the side-by-side comparison of my iPad home screen with a big icon that makes it easy to find the app on the home screen. If your iPad app's icon doesn't change, restart your iPad and try again. Check the top I button and video description for a detailed video on Restart Your iPad. That's it. The second way to change the app icon from display and brightness settings. To use this way, ensure you have disabled the toggle beside large app icons, as explained earlier in this video. Now, launch the Settings app on your iPad. Then, swipe up and tap on Display and Brightness section at the left sidebar. Swipe up and tap on Display Zoom under the Display section. Here are two options available: Default and More Space. Please note that this feature is only available on M1 and M2 powered iPads and on 11-inch iPad Pro with A12X and A12Z processors. When creating this video, the feature won't be available if you don't have these models. I hope Apple gives this update to all iPad models. Here, the display zoom is selected as default on my iPad, but if you want to change it, tap on the second option, More Space. Tap on the More Space option and then tap on the Done option. A pop-up may appear that says changing display zoom will restart the iPad. Wait for 2 to 5 seconds, and your screen will go black and reappear. Your iPad restarts automatically. When you go to the home screen, you notice that the interface elements become smaller. This reduces the size of app icons and on-screen fonts on the home screen. Also, the amount of usable space on the display will increase. To return to the standard view, launch the Settings app and select the Display and Brightness option. Then, swipe up and select the Display Zoom option. Here, tap on the default option and tap on the Done button. A pop-up may appear that says changing display zoom will restart the iPad. Select the Use Standard option. I hope you liked this video. Also, don't miss to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos and comment for more help.